and welcome back to my channel. Today I am 22 weeks pregnant. 22 weeks pregnant, I cannot believe it. It is the 16th of November 2015 and as I said I am 22 weeks pregnant. So just to jump right into what's been happening this week is I noticed that when I walk I can feel it a lot. Right down at my groin area, I suppose, under my bump, I kind of get stitches and it gets achy. So I think that's pelvic girdle pain or girdle pain or pelvic something pain anyways. Which, the fact that I don't exercise nearly any really, probably is not helping that matter. But it just, even just to walk from, like if I was walking around like a shopping centre or something, like I can feel it after a while that it's starting to get sore. So that's something I've noticed a lot this week. The other things is I'm extremely tired. By the time it comes to going to sleep at night, usually we go to bed around 11 p.m. I am so tired. I come home from work around 2:33, and by 6 or 7 p.m. I am totally just wiped out. But when, like I fall asleep very quickly, but I do still take a while to go to sleep. I kind of like to read my book at night and stuff, and instead of falling asleep, which I should probably fall asleep straight away when I get into bed, but I just don't. The other thing I have noticed this week is that when I get out of the shower, my nipples get extremely sore. It's just when I have it, when they get chilly. When it's chilly, my nipples get really sore. I'm not sure. I googled it, as you do, and it seems to be a very common symptom that happens throughout pregnancy, so I'm not anyway worried about it. Other than that, my nipples haven't really been sore. It's not like the first couple of weeks anyways. Every now and again they get a little bit more tender, but generally they are okay, except for when I get out of the shower, then they are not so great. Also, I've noticed that they're kind of peeling a little bit. So again, I googled that and it does happen to some people. So I'm just kind of putting extra moisturizer and oils and lotions and all that sort of stuff that I'm using on my stomach anyways on them, and that seems to have helped a good bit. The other thing is I got some new maternity stuff. I got this kind of like poncho type thing, which I love, because it covers my bum and it's open, as you can see, but it covers my bump too. Plus I can wear it with leggings and it kind of covers my vagina area, because I don't like to have that on show, especially in leggings. Also, we got invited to a wedding that's going to be happening on the 19th of December, so my new mission is to find a maternity dress. I have ordered one. I'm waiting for that to come in just to see what it looks like. Again, it is a month away, so obviously I'm going to be growing a lot over the month, but I did buy it in it kind of comes in small, medium, large, extra large, so I did buy it in the bigger size, so hopefully it will kind of stretch to the size I am then. I did weigh myself today. Again, it's not official. We have to wait for the official weight for when I go back to my midwife on the 2nd of December. But from my starting weight that I had at 4 weeks, I had put on 6 pounds, or just very close to 6 pounds. And again, I'm 22 weeks, so I think that's pretty good. The last 2 weeks I would say I put on 3, nearly 4 pounds. So I'm kind of gonna have to watch that a bit. Again, I have heartburn like always, and what I have mentioned before, but I haven't mentioned in a couple of weeks, but it's still been there since I can't remember, is that it hurts when I go from sitting down to standing up, as in my tailbone or my coccyx hurts. It's like it's bruised or something, but it hurts from getting up and down off chairs or couches, or it's okay actually in the morning getting out of bed or in and out of bed, that's okay. It's just when I'm sitting on it and then I go to stand up, it hurts a lot when I go to stand. So I'm just gonna do a bump shot. So guys, that's what my 22-week bump shot looks like. God, I can't speak. Also, one other thing is that we have booked a 3D 4D scan, because if you look at my last video, which is the gender reveal, you will see that our gender was only 60% sure of what it was. So we decided to go with a 3D 4D scan that will be done on the 12th of December. So that'll be nice. It's cost 140 euros. I'm not sure if the exchange rate, I think it's like 100, and the exchange rate is kind of crap now because the euro is falling a lot. So I'm not quite sure what it is in dollars or sterling. But that is it, guys. I will be back next week with my 23-week pregnancy update. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye.